When we see someone in a coma, it often looks like they are simply sleeping. Their eyes are closed, they are lying still, and they don't respond to voices or touch. But what is actually happening inside the mind of a person in a coma? Can they hear what's happening around them? Do they dream? Are they aware of anything at all? The truth is, doctors still do not fully understand everything a person experiences in a coma. But what we do know is fascinating. A coma is a state of deep unconsciousness. And like normal sleep, a person in a coma cannot be awakened. Their brain is still alive and continues to control important functions, like breathing and blood circulation. But the parts of the brain responsible for awareness are severely affected. This can happen for many reasons: a serious head injury, lack of oxygen to the brain, stroke, infections, or even certain diseases can cause the brain to enter this state. From the outside, the person may seem completely unaware, but inside the brain, some activity may still be happening. People who recover from a coma often describe very different experiences. Some say they experienced absolutely nothing at all. For many people, a coma feels almost like falling into a deep sleep and waking up without realizing how much time has passed. Just as we do not notice time while sleeping, some coma survivors describe it as if time simply skipped ahead. They may lose days, weeks, or even months without any awareness of it. Others describe something very different. Some people say they could hear voices around them but were unable to respond. They remember hearing family members talking, doctors speaking, or familiar sounds in the room. In some cases, these voices felt distant, almost like hearing sounds underwater. There are also people who report vivid dream-like experiences. These can feel incredibly real, involving memories, strange places, or emotional events. Some describe peaceful dreams, while others experience confusion or fear. Scientists believe this happens because a coma does not always completely shut down all brain activity. Some areas of the brain may continue processing sounds or sensations even when the person cannot react physically. This is why many doctors encourage families to talk to loved ones in a coma, even if the patient shows no response. There is evidence that familiar voices may still be processed by the brain. In some rare cases, brain scans have shown that certain coma patients respond to sounds or instructions even when they show no outward movement. This suggests that some level of awareness may still exist deep inside the brain. While they may not be able to open their eyes or speak, the mind may still be reacting in ways doctors cannot easily detect. Discoveries like these are changing how scientists understand consciousness and showing that the human brain may remain active, even in the deepest states of unconsciousness. However, every coma is different. Not all coma patients experience the same things. Some remain with their eyes fully closed, while others may occasionally open their eyes without being truly aware of their surroundings. Some may hear voices or sounds around them, while others may experience nothing at all. In certain cases, the brain can still react to sounds or touch, but the person is unable to respond. These differences depend on which areas of the brain are affected and how severe the condition is, making every coma experience unique. The experience depends on what caused the coma, which parts of the brain were affected, and how severe the damage is. Some people may have partial awareness, while others may have none at all. That's what makes comas so mysterious. From the outside, the body may appear completely silent, but inside, the brain may still be active in ways we cannot fully measure. And even with modern medicine, one question remains difficult to answer: what does it truly feel like to be in a coma? For some, it may be like endless darkness. For others, it may be filled with sounds, emotions, or dream-like memories. The reality is that no two experiences are exactly the same. A coma may look like silence from the outside, but inside the human mind, there may be far more happening than we realize. And that mystery is what makes the human brain so extraordinary. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more such useful facts.